Good morning, everyone. How are you? Good. Now, this is your first smart class of English, and we are going to study the same topic as we discussed in the class letter writing. And the particular topic in letter writing is placing order. Now, before proceeding for placing order, I would like to tell you the kinds of letters as you have been already instructed. You have been already taught. How many kinds of letters are there? How many kinds of letters are there? You know? Letter. How many kinds of letters are there? Two kinds of letters. The first is formal and the second is informal. But we will study only formal letter. Why? Just because of a genuine reason. The reason is informal letters are not being written nowadays. Why? Just because it is replaced by WhatsApp, messengers, direct calling, video calling and other chatting apps. You know? And informal letters personally, it is written to our parents, you know, parents, brothers, sisters, friends and relatives, you know. Nowadays we are able to reach them with the help of different apps like messengers, WhatsApp, direct video calling, you know. So we are going to study only formal letter. Now in formal letters, how many types of letters are there in formal? Mainly two types of letters we are going to discuss: the business letter and official letter. In official letter, I have already taught you the letter to editor. Now, we are going to introduce the next one, placing order. That is a business letter. Okay? Can I proceed? Good. Sorry for handwriting, just because you know this is the first smart class of English. A little bit problem I am facing managing or handling the board, but don't worry, it will be get easier and easier with the passage of the time. As you know, placing order. Now, suppose you are the member of a school, you are the member of a company, you have needed the home appliances. So, in online process, what we do? We direct just place the order. But when we go through written communications, the best way is letter writing. You know, suppose your school is going to celebrate its annual sports meet. What type of items or articles can be needed there? Sports articles. You are going to decorate your home. What type of articles are going to be needed? Anything like fan, lights and other home appliances. In the same way, suppose this is your new session and you need to purchase the books. and you want to purchase from the school, then your school will order for the same. In this process, write the questions. Write everyone. The question is, suppose you are Sapna or Swapnil of JPS Central Academy, Jhangha, Gorakhpur. Okay. Write a letter. Write a letter. Write a letter to the sales manager of Orient Blackson Now write a letter to the sales manager of Orient Blackson. Why? To place an order of books. Suppose this is your question. You have written, everyone. The question is, you are Sapna or Swapnil of JPS Central Academy, Jhangha, Gorakhpur. Write a letter to the sales manager of Orient Blackson to place an order for books. Can I proceed? Have you written, everyone? Now, before proceeding, just watch carefully to the questions. Which are the sender's address and which are the receiver's address? As you have been already taught about the format of the letter, and you are now able to recognize or to write which one is sender address and which one is receiver's address. Now, tell me one thing, which one is here the sender's address? Which company or which family or which person is going to place an order? Tell me. JPS Central Academy. Okay? The name of the institute that is going to place an order is JPS Central Academy. Its local address is Jhangha, and what is the proper address? Gorakhpur. Now tell me, which one is here the receiver's address? The receiver's address is the sales manager of which company? Orient Blackson. Here, the proper address is not given there, so you can write the proper address either Gorakhpur or any other nearby city. Clear? Actually, in question it is always given, but in case it is not given, how you will be able to write the proper address? The nearby of the sender's proper address are the same. Clear? Now we are proceeding. So first of all, sender's address, you know, it is written in 3 lines. Minimum 2 lines, but the ideal format is 3 lines. The first word is, tell me, in sender's address, first line, JPS JPS Central Academy. Where it is? In Jhangha, Gorakhpur. Okay? Can you write this? After writing the sender's address, just leave one line. Just leave one line and write the date. The format in which I am going to tell you is the proper format of writing date. The format is like, which date is today? 8th of October 2024. Now leave one line again. Now this is time to write the receiver's address. Now receiver's address is the sales manager. You know, when you are writing the letter for placing order, the receiver's address is always started with the same words. The sales manager or manager. Now the second line, the name of the company where the manager or sales manager is appointed. Clear? Now the sales manager of which company? Orient Blackstone. And where it is located, it is not given in the question. So pick from the sender's address, proper address, or the nearby city. Like the proper city of sender's address is Gorakhpur, so you can mention the same city here in receiver's address, like Gorakhpur. Got it? Now sender's address, leave one line. Date, leave one line. Receiver's address. What is next? Subject. Very good. Now subject. Come to the point. Subject is the most highlighted part of any letter. So it is written in bold and highlighted. Clear? And one more thing. Subject is always underlined. Okay? Subject is always underlined. Now come to the point. Subject. Now subject. You know, subject is written in one line only. Subject is written in one line only. Clear? Subject is written in one line only. Either in 3 words or 4 words or 5 words or 6 words. Maximum you can say 6 words. Few common words are here. I am telling you. And rest of the 1 word or 2 word you can join from the question. What is going to be ordered? Clear? Now subject, like placing an order of. Which article is given there in the question? Books. Now you can write here books. This can be written in one line. I think it is manageable. You can write now. The task is to underline this part. Subject must be underlined. I am using the models must. It means it is must. It is compulsory. Clear? Don't forget to underline the subject. As I have already told you, this is the most highlighted part of the letter. Clear? Now leave one more line here. And then write the salutation. Now, in formal letters, write just sir or ma'am. but you have to write both of them, sir and ma'am, because in question it is not decided. The gender of the receiver's address is not decided. So you have to write both the word sir and ma'am. Sir slash ma'am. Now, no punctuation mark at the end of this format, sir and ma'am. No comma at the end. Just start just below the word sir. Start the content next without leaving any line. Just below the word, first word. Just below the first word, sir. Start from here. Some common line I am telling you that will definitely help you in your examination and as well as in your writing skills. Few words are here I am going to tell you are changeable. Rest of the words or phrases can be remain constant. Clear? Like start, the opening line. This is the opening line I am going to tell you. This is with reference. This is with reference to the quotation. This is with reference to the quotation. Now dated. You know, dated. This is the past form of date. It means you have to mention here the past date. 1 day before or 2 days before. Dated. This is the word can be changeable. Clear? Just mention here date 1 or 2 days before. The past date should be mentioned here. As you know, the word dated is used here. It is not date, it is dated. So you have to use the past date. 1 day before or 2 days before. Like today is 8th of October. So what can be mentioned here? 7 October 2024. Clear? Now comma. This is with reference to the quotation dated 7th of October 2024. I would like to inform that we have decided means what? Our school. We have decided means what? Our school, the manager of the school. You know, we have decided to place an order. To place an order of the following articles on the above address. Okay, now above address, what it is denoting? Above address, sender's address. Means you are placing the order of the articles on which address? Above address means sender's address. Clear? Have you written this? Can I erase? Okay. Now, after writing this introductory para, this is the introductory para, must be written in 3 to 4 lines only. Clear? What next? To prepare the table of the articles you are going to place an order. Clear? So, what is the format of preparing table? I am telling you. Suppose In the first column, this is serial number. Second column, names of the articles or items. Okay. In the third column, like you are placing the order of books. In this only case, you have to mention here the author or publication. The author or publication. Clear? In the rest of the orders, you can mention here company or brand. Author and publication will be written only in this concept when you are placing the order of books. In the rest of the articles, rest of the items you are placing the order, you can write the words here, the company or brand. Clear? Now, the quantity. Maximum 4 to 5 articles or items can be mentioned here. Okay. How many articles can be mentioned here? Maximum 4 to 5. Serial number like first, second, third, fourth, and in books. What can be ordered? Like mathematics, maths. The name of the articles, the first one is maths. Of which publication or author? Like R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agrawal or any can be suggested. How much in quantity? Tell me, how many books, how many articles you are going to place? Suppose 20. Maths is demanded for 20. Clear? Now next one is suppose science. The name of the author or publication? Any can be suggested. What? Educard. Okay. Now how many? Like 15. Okay. Next one is suppose SST. Name of the author of publication? NCERT. Pattern. Any author or publication can be suggested. Like English. Like Saraswati publication. Okay. Or PC Rail. Clear? Another book can be mentioned here. This is the process of forming the table. In the first table, you have to write the serial numbers. In the second one, the name of the articles. In the third one, author or publications. Clear? And in the last, quantity. SST suppose 10 and English suppose 20. Clear? Can I erase it? Now, the last one is the conditions we are going to apply. The last paragraph is the conditions we are going to apply. What are the conditions? Let's discuss first. First of all the items should be in good conditions. What can be written here? All the items should be in good condition. Okay. The first condition is all the items should be in good condition. well bound, packed properly, packed, and most important, and delivered, within the time you have to mention here, within 7 days, within 5 days, within a week. Clear? You can mention here. All the items should be in good conditions, well bound, packed properly, and delivered within 1 week. Clear? Now, the second condition. What is the second condition? Can be here. The payment will be made by cash. The payment will be made by cash when once the items reach us. Okay, now give another condition as well as the warning. Any damage during transportation would be your responsibilities. Okay, any damage during transportation would be your responsibility. Okay, you can write here now. These are the conditions we are applying for placing the orders. Clear? And these are the common lines I am suggesting. You don't need to change it anyhow, anywhere, even in your board examinations. Just pen down the same word I am suggesting. This is the common para you can write here. And these are the full of conditions as well as what you can add here. One appreciation to encourage the shopkeeper or the manager of the company from where you are placing the order. Now, since you have never given any chance to complain, so we are expecting the same delivery this time as well. Okay, this is the last line of the conditions you have applied here for placing the orders, and just after completing the contents, just leave one line, and at last the most important complimentary clause. What should be written here? Yours. Okay, yours sincerely. Now, only in both the words, Y should be capital, not S of sincerely. The name have been suggested in the questions. You know, the boys can be written here. What? Swapnil. And the girls? Sapna. Sapna or Swapnil. Clear? Got it? Thank you.